Hello friends, welcome back to my channel 5 Minutes Tech. This is RealMe 2 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can insert SIM cards and SD card in RealMe 2 Pro smartphone. Turn your phone to see the left side view of your phone. Here we will have SIM hole. Use SIM ejector tool. This is the SIM ejector tool. Just insert the SIM ejector tool into the hole and push down into the hole, and the SIM tray will be coming out. Just take it out. Now keep your phone aside and see here there are 3 slots. First slot is for one nano SIM, and second slot is for another nano SIM, and third slot is for inserting SD card. In the first slot, put a SIM. In the second slot, put another SIM. And in third slot, you have to put micro SD card. Now keep this tray in this position and take your phone again and insert into the phone. Bring your phone and insert in this position. Yes, it is inserted. Now check whether the inserted SIMs and SD cards are working. Yes, SIM slots will have 2 SIM cards. 2 SIM cards are getting signals. And check whether SD card is working or not. Just go to the file manager and see if there is any SD card. Yes, SD card is available here. Yes, SIM cards and SD card have been inserted properly. In this way, you can easily insert SIM cards and SD card in RealMe 2 Pro smartphone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, goodbye.